So here's the motion, or the video of the motion that we need to analyze. The video is only a couple seconds long. Tim shoots the car, it goes to a stop. And the motion that we're interested in is this car as it slows to a stop right after the collision has occurred. So I'm going to get this right here. Okay, so in the next frame, that car will begin its motion. It'll be traveling at its highest speed right here where it is now and get slower and slower and slower as it comes to a stop. We're going to plot out a displacement versus time graph for that motion. Remember, the first thing we need to do is tell the software our scale. So there's a meter stick sitting on the table, and so we just need to put the ends of our reference bar on that, and the software now knows that that distance, 308 pixels on the screen, corresponds with 1 meter in the real world. And we need to put our origin on so the software knows where to start. And so our origin point, we're going to use the front bumper of the car, is right there. Then we just add our data points. And so the first one is going to be right here. Advance 1 frame, right here. Advance a frame there. And I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Just keep clicking on the front bumper of the car out till I've got quite a few data points or it comes to a stop, and I can't really tell how much it's moving anymore, and it's getting pretty slow. I think I'll go ahead and stop there. Okay, so over here on our graph, remember we really only care about the motion in the x dimension, the horizontal motion, so I'm going to turn off the vertical stuff, and I want the distance versus time graph, so this is fine. And this looks fairly straight, but remember that's actually a curve, and the best fit line for that curve is a quadratic. Now here's what we're after. So y, the total distance traveled, is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. And here c is the original position of the car, the c statistic, b is the original velocity of the car, and a is 1/2 of the acceleration. So when we analyze our statistics, the value that we're interested in is this b statistic, because that will tell us how fast the car was traveling at the very beginning of the motion. So I'll let you guys take it from there.